What is an example of a water in oil? WO, emulsion. A. Mayonnaise. B. Butter. C. Milk. D. Vinegar. The correct answer is B. Butter. What is 1 kilogram defined as being equal to the mass of? A. A certain bar of silver alloy. B. A certain bar of copper alloy. C. A certain bar of platinum iridium alloy. D. A certain bar of gold alloy. The correct answer is C. A certain bar of platinum iridium alloy. Nitrogen reacts with which nonmetals? A. Hydrogen and oxygen. B. Chlorine and fluorine. C. Carbon and sulfur. D. Silicon and phosphorus. The correct answer is A. Hydrogen and oxygen. If an object's speed changes over time, what type of motion is it experiencing? A. Consistent motion. B. Steady motion. C. Uniform speed motion. D. Non-uniform motion. The correct answer is D. Non-uniform motion. In the example with the magnet and iron nail, what causes the nail to move towards the magnet? A. A pulling force. B. Static electricity. C. A pushing force. D. Air pressure. The correct answer is A. A pulling force. Which of the following is an example of an inanimate object where a disinfectant might be applied? A. Skin. B. Open wound. C. Mucous membranes. D. Floor. The correct answer is D. Floor. What factor primarily determines the physical and chemical characteristics of a compound? A. The nature of bonding. B. Its density. C. Its smell. D. Its color. The correct answer is A. The nature of bonding. Which material is suitable for an application where rapid heating is desired from electrical current? A. Aluminum. B. Nichrome. C. Copper. D. Silver. The correct answer is B. Nichrome. Which of these is explicitly mentioned as a rechargeable battery type? A. Mobile phone batteries. B. Car batteries. C. Hearing aid batteries. D. Watch batteries. The correct answer is A. Mobile phone batteries. What happens to the tip of the aluminum foil when an electric current is applied as described? A. It becomes magnetic. B. It hardens. C. It changes color. D. It starts melting. The correct answer is D. It starts melting. Which of the following is an example of an acid dye mentioned? A. Picric acid. B. Indigo. C. Alizarin. D. Turmeric. The correct answer is A. Picric acid. What is the primary change observed in boys during adolescence related to reproductive organs? A. Uterus size increases. B. Ovaries increase in weight. C. Testes grow larger. D. Testes become smaller. The correct answer is C. Testes grow larger. Regarding synthetic fibers, what type of activities are mentioned as a learning objective? A. Activities to learn their characteristics. B. Activities to learn their sound. C. Activities to learn their speed. D. Activities to learn their taste. The correct answer is A. Activities to learn their characteristics. Oxalic acid is primarily sourced from which food item? A. Soy milk. B. Apple. C. Lemon. D. Tomato. The correct answer is D. Tomato. What happens to the electrons released at the anode in a galvanic cell? A. They are absorbed by the electrolyte. B. They flow to the anode. C. They are attracted by the cathode. D. They are repelled by the cathode. The correct answer is C. They are attracted by the cathode. What determines the type of image a mirror forms? A. The material it is made from. B. The color of its frame. C. The size of the mirror. D. The shape of the mirror. The correct answer is D. The shape of the mirror. What is the E.M.F of a cell analogous to in a pipeline system? A. Pipe diameter. B. Valve resistance. C. Pressure difference. D. Water flow. The correct answer is C. Pressure difference. Where is the optic nerve located? A. At the end of the eyes, behind the retina. B. In the middle of the eye, near the lens. C. At the front of the eye, behind the cornea. D. On the external surface of the sclera. The correct answer is A. At the end of the eyes, behind the retina. Making plastic boards from melted plastics is an example of what? A. Upcycling. B. Incineration. C. Composting. D. Recycling. The correct answer is D. Recycling. What is the phenomenon called when a solid increases in volume upon heating? A. Contraction. B. Freezing. C. Evaporation. D. Expansion. The correct answer is D. Expansion. What determines the nature of a computer file? A. The file's contents. B. The user's need. C. The folder it is saved in. D. The application used to create it. The correct answer is A. The file's contents. Which element has an atomic mass of 87.6 in triad group 3? A. Ba. B. Ca. C. Ca. D. K. The correct answer is C. Ca. How many types are bacteria classified into based on shape? A. 2. B. 4. C. 5. D. 3. The correct answer is B. 4. If an object is 10 centimeters in front of a plane mirror, how far behind the mirror will its image appear? A. 5 centimeters. B. 20 centimeters. C. 0 centimeters. D. 10 centimeters. The correct answer is D. 10 centimeters. What happens to a patient's sensation when they receive an anesthetic for major surgery? A. They gain heightened sensation. B. They become more aware of their surroundings. C. They lose sensation completely. D. They experience intermittent sensation. The correct answer is C. They lose sensation completely. Which term describes a phase of the moon where only a small sliver of it is visible? A. New moon. B. Full moon. C. Crescent. D. Gibbous. The correct answer is C. Crescent. What does the term harvesting also include, in addition to collecting crops? A. Immediate post-harvest practices. B. Crop rotation planning. C. Long-term storage solutions. D. Pre-planting soil preparation. The correct answer is A. Immediate post-harvest practices. Softwoods come from which type of plant? A. Aquatic plants. B. Angiosperms. C. Flowering plants. D. Gymnosperms. The correct answer is D. Gymnosperms. What did the oxides of group 2 elements used to be called? A. Salts. B. Earths. C. Acids. D. Gases. The correct answer is B. Earths. Where are convex mirrors often found in buildings? A. In basements. B. In auditoriums. C. In hallways. D. In laboratories. The correct answer is C. In hallways. How did you score?